Welcome back again. Your ultimate guide to Canadian citizenship journey.
Question. In what year did Canada become a country? A. 1867. B. 1687. C. 1786. D. 1678. The answer is A. 1867. Question. Which region covers more than one-third of Canada? A. Northern Territories. B. South Region. C. North Region. D. Southern Territories. The answer is A. Northern Territories. Question. What was the main advantage of NAFTA agreement? A. Free trade among Canada, the USA, and Mexico. B. Free trade between Canada and China. C. Free trade between Canada and the UK. D. Free trade between Canada and Japan. The answer is A. Free trade among Canada, the USA, and Mexico. Question. Which region is known as the industrial and manufacturing heartland of Canada? A. Atlantic provinces. B. Prairie provinces. C. Central Canada. D. West Coast. The answer is C. Central Canada. Question. What forms a jury? A. Politicians. B. Immigrants. C. Judges. D. A jury is made up of citizens. The answer is D. A jury is made up of citizens. Question. What is the highest honor available to Canadians? A. The Queen's Medal. B. Elizabeth Cross. C. Victoria Medal. D. Victoria Cross. The answer is D. Victoria Cross. Question. What do the initials MP stand for in Canadian politics? A. Member of Parliament. B. Minister of Parliament. C. Member of the Patriots. D. Master of the Province. The answer is A. Member of Parliament. Question. Which region of Canada is known for its fertile agricultural land and energy resources? A. Central Canada. B. Quebec. C. Prairie provinces. D. Maritime provinces. The answer is C. Prairie provinces. Question. What is a major river in Quebec? A. Hudson's Bay. B. Niagara. C. Fraser River. D. St. Lawrence River. The answer is D. St. Lawrence River. Question. When did the United Empire Loyalists come to Canada? A. Late 1600s. B. Early 1600s. C. Early 1700s. D. Late 1700s. The answer is D. Late 1700s. Question. How is a cabinet minister chosen? A. By the Prime Minister. B. By the King. C. By the voters. D. By the senators. The answer is A. By the Prime Minister. Question. What are the colors present in the Canadian flag? A. Blue and white. B. Red and white. C. Green and white. D. Red and blue. The answer is B. Red and white. Question. What principles out of the following is Canada's constitution based on? A. Multiculturalism, peace and order. B. Peace, order and good government. C. War, order and good government. D. Mobility, rights, order and good government. The answer is B. Peace, order and good government. Question. Which province was the first to grant voting rights to women? A. Quebec. B. Ontario. C. Nova Scotia. D. Manitoba. The answer is D. Manitoba. Question. When was the current flag of Canada raised for the first time? A. 1921. B. 1965. C. 1949. D. 1892. The answer is B. 1965. Question. Which provinces are connected to Ontario by land? A. New Brunswick and Quebec. B. Alberta and Quebec. C. Steve, Manitoba and Quebec. D. Manitoba and Alberta. The answer is C. Steve, Manitoba and Quebec. Question. What does CPR stand for? A. Canadian Pacific Railway. B. Canadian People Railway. C. Canadian Public Road. D. Canadian People Resource. The answer is A. Canadian Pacific Railway. Question. Who among these is a Nobel Prize-winning scientist? A. Gerhard Herzberg. B. Marshall McLuhan. C. Alexander Graham Bell. D. Harold Innis. The answer is A. Gerhard Herzberg. Question. Municipal government is responsible for which of the following? A. Natural resources. B. Currency. C. Garbage removal. D. Highways. The answer is C. Garbage removal. Question. Who is known as the greatest living Canadian? A. Dr. Wilder Penfield. B. Terry Fox. C. Sir John A. Macdonald. D. Sir Sanford Fleming. The answer is A. Dr. Wilder Penfield. Question. What is the reason behind the Canada and U.S. border? A. To improve security. B. To maintain distance. C. Canada wishes to remain independent of the United States. D. To prevent war between the two countries. The answer is C. Canada wishes to remain independent of the United States. Question. Which of the following are the three founding peoples of Canada? A. American French and British. B. Aboriginal French and British. C. French American and Indian. D. British American and Aboriginal. The answer is B. Aboriginal French and British. Question. Who signs the bills if it is approved by the provincial parliament? A. The Mayor. B. Dalton McGuinty. C. Members of the Provincial Parliament. D. The Lieutenant Governor. The answer is D. The Lieutenant Governor. Question. When is the Sir Wilfrid Laurier Day celebrated? A. 12th of November. B. 20th of November. C. 22nd of November. D. 2nd of November. The answer is B. 20th of November. Question. Which country lies on Canada's southern border? A. Central America. B. Mexico. C. Michigan. D. United States of America. The answer is D. United States of America. Question. Which two are Great Lakes? A. St. Lawrence and Superior. B. Ontario and Okanagan. C. Michigan and Okanagan. D. Huron and Erie. The answer is D. Huron and Erie. Question. Who out of the following is above the law in Canada? A. Judges. B. Police. C. Politicians. D. No one. The answer is D. No one. Question. Where do Inuit people live? A. Ontario. B. Reserve land. C. In scattered communities across the Arctic. D. Prairie provinces. The answer is C. In scattered communities across the Arctic. Question. Who became the first French-Canadian Prime Minister since the formation of Confederation? A. Sir John Alexander Macdonald. B. Sir Wilfrid Laurier. C. Sir Georgette Cartier. D. Sir Leonard Tilley. The answer is B. Sir Wilfrid Laurier. Question. Who among the following can help you with legal problems? A. Politicians. B. Lawyers. C. Members of Parliament. D. The police. The answer is B. Lawyers. Question. When was Canada's first financial institution opened? A. Early 16th century. B. Late 19th century. C. Late 18th and early 19th centuries. D. Early 18th century. The answer is C. Late 18th and early 19th centuries. Question. What are the three levels of government in Canada? A. Federal, provincial and county. B. Federal, state and city. C. Federal, provincial or territorial and municipal. D. Federal, provincial and rural. The answer is C. Federal, provincial or territorial and municipal. Question. What are the Metis people a mixture of? A. Aboriginal and European ancestry. B. European and American ancestry. C. American and Indian ancestry. D. Inuit and Indian ancestry. The answer is A. Aboriginal and European ancestry. Question. Who were the first Aboriginal people living in Canada? A. American and British. B. Spanish. C. French and Chinese. D. Indians, First Nations and Inuits, Eskimos. The answer is D. Indians, First Nations and Inuits, Eskimos. Question. How is Canada ranked in terms of geographical size in the world? A. It is the second largest country on Earth. B. It is the smallest country on Earth. C. It is the largest country on Earth. D. It is the seventh largest country on Earth. The answer is A. It is the second largest country on Earth. Question. When was the Official Languages Act passed? A. 1969. B. 1867. C. 1982. D. 2000. The answer is A. 1969. Question. From whom is Canada's tallest mountain named? A. William Logan. B. Louis Riel. C. Terry Fox. D. Wayne Gretzky. The answer is A. William Logan. Question. Which port is the largest and busiest in Canada? A. The Port of Halifax. B. The Port of Montreal. C. The Port of Vancouver. D. The Port of Victoria. The answer is C. The Port of Vancouver. Question. Canadians work hard to respect. A. Marxism. B. Pluralism. C. Capitalism. D. Individualism. The answer is B. Pluralism. Question. What are the two official languages of Canada? A. In English. B. Speak French and inactive. C. English and French. D. Mandarin and English. The answer is C. English and French. Question. Which province has the most bilingual Canadians? A. British Columbia. B. Quebec. C. Ontario. D. Prince Edward Island. The answer is B. Quebec. Question. In what jobs did the Métis first work with European settlers? A. Supplies, traders, guides and interpreters. B. Taking care of children. C. Building housing. D. Fishing. The answer is A. Supplies, traders, guides and interpreters. Question. When did settlers from France first establish communities on the St. Lawrence River? A. Late 1600s. B. Early 1700s. C. Late 1700s. D. Early 1600s. The answer is D. Early 1600s. Question. Where are the Parliament buildings located? A. Toronto. B. Kingston. C. London. D. Ottawa. The answer is D. Ottawa. Question. Where do the majority Métis live in Canada? A. Central Canada. B. The North. C. Prairie Provinces. D. The Maritimes. The answer is C. Prairie Provinces. Question. What do you call a law before it is passed? A proposed law. B, a bill. C, a new law. D, a proposal of a law. The answer is B, a bill. Question. What are the parties that are not in power called? A, Tea parties. B, opposition parties. C, rival parties. D, opponents parties. The answer is B, opposition parties. Question. Why are the Great Lakes important to Canada? A, they provide water for irrigation. B, they provide fresh water and waterways. C, they provide waterways. D, they are tourist attractions. The answer is B, they provide fresh water and waterways. Question. Who circled the globe in a wheelchair to raise funds for spinal cord research? A, Reginald Fessenden. B, Rick Hansen. C, Terry Fox. D, Gerhard Herzberg. The answer is B, Rick Hansen. Question. What happens when the federal government loses a confidence vote? A, an election is called. B, the official opposition party takes power. C, the Prime Minister loses his job. D, the Prime Minister is no longer the leader of his party. The answer is A, an election is called. Question. What is Canada's system of government called? A, dictatorship. B, parliamentary government. C, military rule. D, communism. The answer is B, parliamentary government. Question. Who is the greatest Canadian hockey player? A, Wayne Gretzky. B, Mark Tewksbury. C, Donovan Bailey. D, Terry Fox. The answer is A, Wayne Gretzky. Question. Since when has the protocol for the amendment of the Canadian Constitution existed? A, 1962. B, 1982. C, 1885. D, 1972. The answer is B, 1982. Question. What is the Great Charter of Freedom also known as? A, habeas corpus. B, Dominion of Canada. C, Canadian Constitution. D, Magna Carta. The answer is D, Magna Carta. Question. What are the Prime Minister and Cabinet Ministers together called? A, the Government. B, the Cabinet. C, the House of Commons. D, the Senate. The answer is B, the Cabinet. Question. Which province is on the Pacific coast of Canada? A, Nova Scotia. B, Alberta. C, New Brunswick. D, British Columbia. The answer is D, British Columbia. Question. What region is called the Land of the Midnight Sun? A, Central Canada. B, the Northern Territories. C, the Prairies. D, the Maritimes. The answer is B, the Northern Territories. Question. What is the symbol of the Canadian government? A, the Parliament. B, the Crown. C, the national flag. D, the snowbirds. The answer is B, the Crown. Question. Which province has the largest population of Aboriginals? A, Manitoba. B, Ontario. C, Nova Scotia. D, Alberta. The answer is A, Manitoba. Question. What is a voter information card? A, a list tells you who the candidates are in your electoral district. B, a letter that lets you know the voting schedule. C, a form that tells you where and when to vote. D, a card to let you register for voting. The answer is C, a form that tells you where and when to vote. Question. To what ocean is Newfoundland closest? A, Atlantic. B, Pacific. C, Labrador. D, Arctic. The answer is A, Atlantic. Question. What does MPP stand for? A, member of the provincial parachute. B, member of the provincial police. C, member of the provincial parliament. D, member of the provincial publication. The answer is C, member of the provincial parliament. Question. Where do the English and French have equal status in Canada? A, in the workplace. B, in schools. C, in the Parliament of Canada. D, at the City Hall. The answer is C, in the Parliament of Canada. Question. In what year were the Aboriginal peoples granted the right to vote? A, 1960. B, 1790. C, 1950. D, 1632. The answer is A, 1960. Question. Who invented the snowmobile? A, Alexander Graham Bell. B, Joseph Armand Bombardier. C, Sir Sanford Fleming. D, Matthew Evans and Henry Woodward. The answer is B, Joseph Armand Bombardier. Question. Federal elections are carried out to elect which of the following? A Premier. B, Prime Minister. C, Member of Parliament. D, Senator. The answer is C, Member of Parliament. Question. Who invented the sport of basketball? A, Canadians. B, French. C, Germans. D, Americans. The answer is A, Canadians. Question. Which of the following was invented by Alexander Graham Bell? A, BlackBerry. B, fax machine. C, telephone. D, internet. The answer is C, telephone.